After so many months, I'm back to walking. I decided to walk this morning, Saturday. Time check. It's 6 o'clock. I have a companion with me here. Da-da-da-da-da! That's Maricel. Nagpasama ako kasi baka ma-vertigo ako going down. So, that's it. We'll walk siguro mga 5,000 steps lang. Then, balik na rin tayo paakyat. That's our house sa dulo. That's the view. Sa taas. Maraming ibon. Maingay sila lahat. Tulog pa ang mga kapitbahay namin. Taas ang pinanggalingan namin, oh. Carjack Hill. Naka 4,000 steps na.
Hi guys! My friends from Morning Buddies. This is my friend Bing. Hi Bing! Hello! Hi Pearl!
Hello!
Hello vlog!
Hello! Nabalik ko karon for my vlog this morning. For so long, wala ko ka-walk. But this time, speed up! Let's go! Let's go! Walk, walk! Okay? Campus context. Raise your hips. Raise your hips. Woo. And then, whoo, say, whoo. 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 Whoo.
Di nakasabay ang mga...
Grabe guys, Carjack Hill. Layo pa to. Layo pa tayo makaabot sa balay. Taas pa kayo. Layo pa kayo. Sa akong balay. Lang, steps na lang. Ito na yung bahay. Finally, around 7,000 steps for today, for this morning. Arrived destination.